How to change clock icon on iPhone. First, go ahead and open up the Shortcuts application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the top right corner and tap on the plus icon to create a new shortcut. Then, select Open App below the search bar and tap on App. Here, you can search for or scroll down to the Find app that you're looking for and tap on it. For example, clock. Over here, go to the top and tap on the downward arrow. Select Add to Home Screen. You can now change the shortcut name from here if you want. Type in the name and then select the photo icon. Then, tap on Choose Photo. Here, select a photo from your camera roll and tap on Choose below. After that, tap on Add at the top right corner. As you can see, this shortcut will now appear on your home screen. Tap on the shortcut to open the clock. Following these steps, you can easily change clock icon on iPhone.